Discover the top 7 best cameras, tailor-made for YouTube content creators. From crisp 4K video recording to advanced autofocus systems, these cameras offer the perfect blend of quality and usability for vlogging, tutorials, and more, ensuring your content stands out with professional-grade visuals. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Sony Alpha A6400. The Sony Alpha A6400 is a versatile mirrorless camera designed for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality imaging in a compact form factor. With its advanced 24.2 MP APS-C XMR CMOS sensor and BIONZX image processor, it delivers impressive image quality, exceptional detail, and excellent low-light performance. One standout feature of the A6400 is its lightning-fast autofocus system. Featuring 425 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points, ensuring precise and rapid subject tracking and focus acquisition. This makes it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects such as wildlife, sports, or dynamic street scenes. The camera also boasts 4K video recording capabilities with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, resulting in high-resolution, detail-rich footage with exceptional clarity and depth. Additionally, its tilting touchscreen LCD monitor and high-resolution electronic viewfinder provide intuitive control and composition, while built-in Wi-Fi and NFC enable seamless connectivity for sharing your images and videos instantly. Compact, powerful, and packed with features, the Sony Alpha A6400 is a reliable companion for capturing stunning photos and videos in any situation. Number 6. Canon EOS M50 Mark. The Canon EOS M50 Mark is a versatile mirrorless camera designed for both enthusiasts and content creators. Boasting a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Canon's DI-GAC8 image processor, it delivers stunning image quality and impressive performance. This camera excels in both photography and videography, offering 4K video recording at 24 fps and full HD recording at up to 60 fps, ensuring smooth and detailed footage. Equipped with dual-pixel CMOS AF, the EOS M50 Mark provides fast and accurate autofocus for both photos and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Its vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes it easy to compose shots from various angles and navigate through the intuitive menu system. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, this camera allows for seamless sharing of images and videos to compatible devices and social media platforms. Additionally, the EOS M50 Mark supports live streaming directly to YouTube, making it a perfect choice for vloggers and content creators looking to engage their audience in real time. Compact, lightweight, and packed with features, the Canon EOS M50 Mark is a powerful tool for capturing moments with creativity and precision. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix GH5. The Panasonic Lumix GH5 is a professional-grade mirrorless camera designed to meet the demanding needs of photographers and videographers alike. Boasting a 20.3 megapixel digital live MOS sensor without a low-pass filter, it delivers exceptional image quality with stunning detail and clarity. Its advanced Venus engine processor enables high-speed signal processing, allowing for impressive low-light performance up to ISO 25600 and minimal noise, even in challenging shooting conditions. With its groundbreaking 4K video capabilities, the GH5 revolutionizes the filmmaking experience. It supports 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, as well as 6K photo capture for extracting still images from ultra-high-definition footage. The camera also features advanced video features such as 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, V-Loggle recording for expanded dynamic range, and 5-axis in-body stabilization for smooth, steady footage. Additionally, the GH5 offers a rugged, weather-sealed body construction, ensuring durability and reliability in various shooting environments. Its ergonomic design includes dual SD card slots, a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, and a tilting touchscreen LCD for easy navigation and framing. Whether capturing stills or shooting video, the Panasonic Lumix GH5 delivers exceptional performance and versatility for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Sony ZV1. The Sony ZV1 is a compact digital camera designed specifically for content creators and vloggers. With its versatile features and user-friendly design, the ZV1 empowers creators to produce high-quality videos and still images effortlessly. Equipped with a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor and a fast f/1.8 to 2.8 Zeiss Vario Sun RT* lens, this camera delivers stunning image quality with sharpness and clarity, even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the ZV1 is its advanced autofocus system, which includes real-time IAF and real-time tracking for both humans and animals. This ensures that subjects remain sharply in focus, even when moving unpredictably. Additionally, the ZV1 offers a variety of creative tools, such as background defocus, product showcase setting, and a built-in neutral density (ND) filter for controlling exposure in bright conditions. Its flip-out touchscreen LCD makes it easy to frame shots from any angle, while the built-in microphone and windscreen ensure clear audio recording. Compact, powerful, and packed with features, the Sony ZV1 is the perfect companion for vloggers and content creators looking to elevate their content creation game. Number 3. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II is a compact digital camera designed for enthusiasts and content creators who require exceptional image quality and versatility. With its 20.1 megapixel 1.0-inch stack CMOS sensor and DIGAC 8 image processor, this camera delivers stunning stills and 4K UHD video recording capabilities. Equipped with a fast f/1.8 to 2.8 lens with a 4.2x optical zoom range, 24-100mm equivalent, the G7X Mark II excels in capturing both wide-angle landscapes and close-up portraits with beautiful background blur. Its innovative dual sensing technology ensures steady shots, even in challenging shooting conditions. For vloggers and social media influencers, the G7X Mark II offers live streaming capabilities directly to YouTube and a tilting touchscreen LCD for easy framing and navigation. Additionally, the camera features a microphone input for high-quality audio recording, enhancing the overall content creation experience. Compact yet powerful, moments with exceptional clarity and creativity. Asterisk requires a Wi-Fi connection and the Canon Camera Connect app. Number 2. Fujifilm X-T4. The Fujifilm X-T4 is a flagship mirrorless camera that combines cutting-edge technology with a classic design, offering photographers and videographers unparalleled versatility and performance. With its 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X-Processor 4 image processing engine, the X-T4 delivers stunning image quality with exceptional sharpness, color accuracy, and low-light performance. One of the standout features of the X-T4 is its in-body image stabilization (IBS) system, providing up to 6.5 stops of stabilization to ensure steady shots in any situation, whether shooting handheld or in challenging conditions. This feature is especially beneficial for video recording, where smooth, shake-free footage is essential. Additionally, the X-T4 offers advanced video capabilities, including DCI 4K recording at up to 60 fps and Full HD recording at up to 240 fps for stunning slow-motion footage. With its comprehensive set of video features, including F-Log recording, 10-bit internal recording, and HDMI output, the X-T4 is a versatile tool for content creators, filmmakers, and videographers. Number 1. Nikon Z6. The Nikon Z6 is a powerful mirrorless camera that combines impressive image quality with versatility and usability, making it a top choice for photographers and videographers alike. With a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor and the EXP-ED6 image processing engine, it delivers stunningly detailed images with rich colors and excellent dynamic range, even in challenging lighting conditions. Equipped with a fast and accurate autofocus system featuring 273 phase detection points, the Z6 ensures precise focus tracking for both stills and videos. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization further enhances shooting stability, allowing users to capture sharp images and smooth videos handheld. The camera offers 4K UHD video recording at up to 30 fps, along with 1080p Full HD recording at up to 120 fps for slow motion effects. With advanced video features such as N-Log and 10-bit HDMI output, filmmakers can achieve professional-grade results with ease. Additionally, the Nikon Z6 boasts a rugged yet ergonomic design, with weather sealing to protect against dust and moisture, ensuring reliability in various shooting environments. Its large, high-resolution electronic viewfinder and tilting touchscreen provide intuitive control and composition, making the Z6 a versatile tool for creators of all levels. So guys, that's all for the Top 7 Best Cameras. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.